Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to flip an image in Google Docs, and for this we're going to use our own logo. So let me bring this in by dragging it to Google Docs, and let's actually resize this a little bit. Now that'll look much better, okay? All you need to do is right click on the image and you'll see all of these options. So I want you to go ahead and click on image options right here, and you'll get a drop down of different options here. So what you want to do is come under size and rotation. If you don't see these options, okay, just go ahead and click on that arrow. And here, this is what we're interested in. Rotate, okay? So if I click this once, it will flip it this way. And if I click on it again, it would have completely flipped upside down. So if this is what you want, perfect. And we are done. It's really that easy and simple.